All right. Check your work and see if you graphed trapezoid bird correctly. Here's what it looks like. Okay. There's trapezoid bird. Now, number 1 says find the coordinates of the vertices after a reflection over the x-axis. This is my original. I don't have a highlighter, otherwise I'd just use my highlighter here. All right, I'm going over the x-axis, which means I'm going this way. It's even labeled for you. There's the little x. All right, so all you do is go, okay, well, this B is 1 dot away from the black line. Make sure I make a mirror image of it. There you go. The D is 1 line away. Now the I is 1, 2, 3, 4 up. I'm going to stay right in line with it, starting at the axis. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stay right in line with my R. Go to the axis. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there it is. And all I do is connect them. And it's still called bird, but they're B prime, I prime, R prime, and D prime is the way you read it. The prime means it's the new one, not the old one. And to mark it as prime, you put a little apostrophe after it. So I have D with a little apostrophe. That means D prime. That means the D after you've made a change to it. Okay? And then it asks you to find the coordinates. So then you're going to write them down. Well, B is 1, -1. I is 2, -4. Using your rules, you could just copy them from the thing. R is going to be 6, -4. And D is 7, -1. Remember, only your Y changes because we're flipping this down. By going over the X coordinate, I'm moving down. Now, when you go to step number 2, don't reflect your new one. Reflect your original. Always, always, always go back to the original shape. Okay? So if you have 2 changes, go back to the original shape. If you have 2 changes, go back to the original shape. If you have 2 changes, go back to the original shape. Okay? So your next one, you're going to reflect over the Y-axis. Being very careful to watch your letters. Bird is now going to be spelled backwards because B stays right next to it. It's just like when we look in the mirror, your letters stay right together. They don't flip to the other side. And this becomes a double prime. It's 2 apostrophes. And then in your coordinates, all you're doing is changing the X coordinate going from the original. Go back to the original numbers. Don't go from your number 1. Go back to the originals.